I was taking a look at a very similar situation in the MENA region a while ago, and I had a company that was actually declining more or less 70 to 80% of all the requests in terms of loans for a very very simple reason. Most of the people that were actually looking to take those loans and those credits, they had part of their income that was on paper, paid by the employees,
Yeah.
and part of the income was tips provided by, for example, in a restaurant or in a shops, and they cannot prove tips, of course. So you have a lot of transaction, very, very, near to the limit of the kind of expenditure that they had, but they had a lot of cash on top of that, and they couldn't get, the loans approved. And that is a data mismatch that you have in the market, and it's the exact same kind of situation that you are describing right now, I think.
So the way we look at this is in anything that we do is how can we do this in a way that eliminates that friction so it's not prohibitive, and two, not introduce fraud and risk vectors that weren't
Mhm.
there to begin with. Because I think that's the trick.
Yeah.
If I gave you a sheet that said, "Here's all my tips for the week," and my manager signed it, you could take that as potentially the truth, but you have no idea.